What is up, YouTube? It's old Julie here, and today I am bringing you a glazing Hitchhiker build in Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Best to use on Family House. We will be using wireframe to keep up with victims, tracker tag so our teammates aren't in our ears asking where everyone is, and then easily tuckered out so you can stabby stab without having a little tantrum. I maxed out my endurance for this, but you can split the points between savagery and endurance if you like giving big hits. Let's go ahead and get started. Over to watch me on my Twitch. You can interact with my VTuber. You can give me head pats. You can give me a mustache, stuff like that.
Yeah, good meat.
You can make me say really embarrassing things if you have enough channel points. Well, actually, I have an idea. Put one trap here.
They'll never see this. It always works.
And then we'll put one trap over here. Where is it? Over here somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Over here, right here. Oh, it froze me putting the... There it goes. I was like, yo, what the fuck? And let's go put a trap on fuse. Where's fuse at? Right here. It's literally right here.
That sounded like it hurt.
Some of these traps.
This'll catch him.
Did you get her? What the fuck? Oh, Leland's going upstairs to fuse.
I don't get out much like you. Ain't had this much fun in a long time. You ain't getting out. There's no way out. You ain't getting out of here.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get this man. Where is he going?
Snared one.
Somebody try. Damn. Oh, they tried to jump out the window. Nice. Hell yeah, I knew it would fucking work. All three of my traps work, bro. I'm gonna go check my... Oh, wait, Bubba, check the fuse trap real quick. I'm gonna go check my fuse behind my trap behind the couch.
Time to slaughter this.
Ah, nice. This... Oh, he's... Oh, Connie's at the door. Get that bitch.
This blade cuts good.
I'm gonna go feed Grandpa. It's like, why not? We're doing really well. I'm gonna go check fuse real quick. Oh, Sunny could have been working on the... Go check my couch. Go check my couch one real quick. Oh, she was the one that stepped in this trap. Oh my god, bro, that trap placement, bro, was fucking phenomenal. All three of those traps were fucking amazing. Oh shit, fuse, no. Oh, he tried to do fuse. Nice. He's probably like, how the fuck is he still hitting me? High endurance, high endurance. That high endurance. Oh my god, Hitchhiker is fucking insane on this map.
Fresh blood. Ooh, this'll lead somewhere good.
Okay. Do this. Set it right here. She'll probably expect it to be on the inside. Well, she can't even get onto the inside, so it'll be fine. Let's go feed Grandpa.
Why is this dragging out?
Get him to level 4. I can get Grandpa to level 4, then you guys can get him to level 5.
You're looking downright surprised.
Is she outside?
Back and killing for it.
Escapes me.
Nobody escapes me. Bro, Johnny's so fine. I mean, what? Nice. Nice. Oh, she must have recovered from my trap from earlier. Bro, that Hitchhiker game was insane. Hitchhiker is a necessity on Family House. Let's take that from this game. He is a necessity on Family House. Also, let me check my filters. I feel like my